तो गाइस आज हम जा रहे हैं पहलगाम। पहलगाम में एक साइट सीइंग है। मैं ऐसे बात कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड है और मेरे हाथ एकदम फ्रीज पड़ रहे हैं। देखो कितने शेक कर रहे हैं। तो आज हम पहलगाम जाने वाले हैं, वहाँ पे हम साइट सीइंग करेंगे। आपको ये सीनरी दिखाता हूँ मैं। ये मेरा ज़रा बैकग्राउंड बहुत अच्छा है इसलिए मैं यहाँ से वीडियो ले रहा हूँ। चलो अभी मैं जल्दी जल्दी हेयर कैप पहन लेता हूँ। हेड कैप जो भी है ये।
Today is the third day in Kashmir. We have started our journey towards Pahalgam. Very soon we will update you going ahead whatever things comes to our way. We've been traveling to Pahalgam and we've been observed that very good roadways has been developed by Mr. Nitin Gadkari. I'll show you some roadways as well. Check the roadways.
Now you can see the situation of NH44 that connects Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
These roadways reached from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And you can see the roadways, and these people are very much thankful to Nitin Gadkari. The driver who is with me, his name is Umar, and he is also very happy that whoever has made these roadways, Kashmiri people are thankful to BJP government as well as to Mr. Nitin Gadkari.
And all credit goes to the Nitin Gadkari. That's our honorable Minister of Road Transport, Authorities of Highways.
Yes, we are proud to be having a person like Nitin Gadkari from our community. Nitin Gadkari is a great man. We can tell him as a road man because he had developed road in such a way that wherever we see a better roads, we can always appreciate Mr. Nitin Gadkari. You can see this development. This road will directly connect to Leh Ladakh. It's from Kashmir to Leh Ladakh. They are trying to develop this road. A bridge, a big flyover. Very soon you can directly connect from Kashmir to Leh Ladakh. Very soon we will show you the place where the Pulwama attack was been happened in past. We had reached into the district of Pulwama. We'll give a tribute to the 40 soldiers who had lost their life over here. You can see this land over here. This is the unique land where the saffron plant has been planted. India's best saffron get planted over here.
No.
And on the same time, it has been elected as the best saffron land over here. World best saffron. See the roads. Climate is also very pleasant. Very cold. We have started a heater also in a car. Dilkash Saffron, Bloom Point. This is the correct place where the Pulwama attack was been happened.
यहाँ पे हुआ था अटैक, यहाँ पे.
Yes, this one. This is the exact
Actually
location.
वहाँ से एक रास्ता है राइट साइड से, वो वहाँ से गाड़ी आई थी, उसमें आईडी भर के हुआ था और यहाँ पे फोर्सेस आए थे, मिलिट्री फोर्स, और उन्होंने टक्कर मारी थी गाड़ी पे. एंड मोर देन 40 इंडियन सोल्जर्स दे हैव लॉस्ट देयर लाइव्स.
So we give a tribute to the Indian soldiers who had paid for us. Umar Sheikh, he is very fond of Modi because all the development which has been happen over here, it's after Modi became a prime minister. कौन से साल से अच्छा?
2019.
From 2019, all the roads has been already well planned after abrogation of 370. He is appreciating that these steps which has been taken for Kashmir, this is all appreciable by the Kashmir people. And he is also saying that if Modi stands from Kashmir, he will definitely win up from here. I came over here with my complete family. See, this is my Bapu daddy. Daddy is at the end. And my wife over here. my son over here and my daughter over here, and Mr. Umar, the driver. You can see our soldiers standing at each and every point and making our country safe. See, everywhere you can see soldiers, complete Kashmir. You will not believe that these roadways look like a European roadways. See, at every point you will find a soldier, every single point.
Polytechnical College in Kashmir, IT college.
See, we are entering towards Pahalgam. Pulwama and Avantipura is at the left side. You can see this roadway, it goes towards Pulwama and Avantipura. This Kashmir is completely God gifted. Yesterday we visited to Sonmarg. In Sonmarg we found a place where Jab Tak Hai Ja movie was being shooted. We saw that river also, small lake, where Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma did a shooting over there. We saw that place and we will share that as well with you. We had clicked some more good photographs over there. Hey, you can see the bat factories over here.
See, these are all bats, raw bats. This will get modified into a complete bat later on.
All the bats get exported from here to complete India.
Kashmir, Anantnag district, where we found complete apple valley, where the apple fruit been planted over here. You can see these are apple plants.
We have came over here to have a lunch. She is my wife. She is very fond of biryani. And these are very people like to stay on the top of the mountains, the coldest place. There are a lot of snowfall. Look at the scenery. Very beautiful. This is what we call Kashmir as a Jannat. It's the heaven. People paying ticket for the state itself. We got a very different structure of house. Yesterday we were in complete snowfall. Complete mountain was with of snow. We spent around 3 to 4 hours in Sonmarg. Very nice. Look at the valley here. See, there are snow on the street. See? We are entering into Pahalgam.
Nicht, tu das nicht.
How beautiful.
सारेगामा कारवा डिजिटल ऑडियो प्रिंट इस तोहफे में है 5000 सुनहरे गाने और कुछ यादें।
This is the place in movie called Hina. Rishi Kapoor went from India to Pakistan. Pahalgam.
ये है हमारे वास्तव
वास्तव कश्मीरी
वास्तव।
वास्तव।
आज आपको फोटो ही निकालना है। Look at the Pahalgam Valley, how the water flows from the mountains and comes down. Completely mountain is filled with the snow. You can check this. Very nice place to come in Kashmir. These people are really God gifted. Very nice. A little bit cold. The temperature is around 5-degree temperature. This is the Pahalgam Valley where we can see so many things over here. We can visit at Baisaran, Dabayan, Kashmir Valley, Dinau Valley, Kanimula Valley, Pahalgam Valley, Waterfall, Tuleyan Lake full day trek. These are the 7 locations where we can visit over here. But we will have to go up by horse riding only. No other ways to go up to see all these locations. Baisaran, Dabayan, Kashmir Valley, 1. Second, Dinau Valley. Third, Kanimulla Valley, Pahalgam Valley, Waterfall, Tuleyan Lake full day trekking. These are the things we can see over here. Chalo, thanks. Umar has supported a lot to us. He had shown all the beautiful places of Kashmir. He had shown us Sonmarg yesterday. He had suggested us to come to Pahalgam. These 2 places we had already visited and we had enjoyed too much over here. We had clicked lots of photos, more than 2,000 photos we had clicked over here. We all people came in a group of 5. We all were over here. From last 2 days we are enjoying over here. We had a beautiful food, good food, and we are enjoying the weather. We are looking at the snow, mountains, a mountain which is fully filled with snow, and this person gets the credit for it. Mr. Umar had supported us a lot. He tried to save our money as well. He showed us how you can make your trip cheaper as well and how tasty food you can get in a cheap rate as well. So all credit goes to Mr. Umar. And these people over here in Kashmir are very friendly. These people always supportive to us. They think that the previous whatever things has been happened in past that has been closed, and now we are completely Indian now. And we are Indian, and completely India is our, not only Kashmir, completely India is our as per Mr. Umar now. Chalo.
है हमारा स्ट्रीट फूड कश्मीर वाला। एक का है हे शीरन डैडी, ये गरम तेल है, ऑब्वियस है, आपको पता है गरम तेल।